Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting Android flagships you might not have heard a ton about here in the US, the Honor Magic 8 Pro, a phone that's pushing the boundaries in battery, AI, and photography. Honor's Magic 8 Pro features a striking 6.71-inch LTPO OLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and crazy bright HDR performance, up to 6,000 nits peak, meaning outdoor visibility is top tier. Under the hood, it runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, making it more than capable for apps, multitasking, and gaming. One of the Magic 8 Pro's biggest strengths is its triple lens camera system. You get a 200-megapixel telephoto periscope lens with 3.7 times optical zoom and up to 100 times digital zoom, backed up by a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, giving you serious versatility for landscapes, portraits, and long-distance shots. Honor also packs in AI-based imaging tools like AI Magic Color and automatic low light enhancement to make photos pop straight out of the camera, perfect for social content and travel shots. Battery life is huge here, literally. The global Magic 8 Pro comes with a 7,100 mAh battery with 100-watt wired and 80-watt wireless fast charging, so you can get topped up fast whether you're at home or on the go. That kind of endurance makes it a solid choice for power users and heavy streamers. Honor is also leaning into AI with features like a dedicated AI button for instant access to smart tools, everything from image editing to contextual help, plus AI-enhanced battery management and productivity tools baked into Magic OS 10 on Android 16. So if you're seeking a flagship Android that blends classy design with powerhouse hardware, massive battery life, and next-gen photography, the Honor Magic 8 Pro deserves a hard look, especially with global availability ramping up now. Like and subscribe for more smartphone deep dives. Comment below. Would you consider this over other flagship phones?